I think that if you look at spread betting, if you look at CFD trading, I mean the market is now maturing. If you in the days that I started getting involved in the industry, although it's not that long ago, 2006, the market was still expanding quite dramatically, and markets were still expanding quite dramatically. Now we're getting to a period of maturity. You're seeing much tighter spreads, much less differentiation between the players. The technology is much more stable and much more available. So I think that you have to actually therefore say, how am I going to differentiate my company moving forward? Therefore, we have to look at a complete refresh of the business in that aspect, in terms of what is our proposition to our customers. And as I've said before, if you take someone like Capital Spreads, we are, I think we're an innovative company, and I think we can be an innovative company, and I think that's what's going to drive us forward. We can't outmarket the likes of IG. We can't outmarket someone like Saxo with very, very large organisations with incredible brand strength and infrastructure. But what we can do is out-innovate. So I think a lot of what we're doing going forward is to drive innovation and to drive the customer journey and the customer experience to be to make improvements all the way along the line. If you think about what is our customer experience? Our customer experience, 99.9% of the time is a technology experience. You can almost say that if a customer has to phone us, it's because something doesn't work or they don't know how to use it and they need some help or instruction. So, by and large, we are a technology-based business, and therefore we have to deliver innovative technology which is also intuitive and easy to use. So I think a lot of the innovation from London Capital Group going forward will come from technology, but not from technology that we are necessarily creating ourselves. I think there's some incredible advantage you can make by grabbing hold of and taking advantage of the technology that is out there in the marketplace today. I mean, one thing that has happened over the last sort of few years is the development of the MetaTrader franchise created an opportunity for lots of organisations and small companies to create products and services that can be plugged into and added into a MetaTrader environment, or for that matter any trading environment. And so now there are companies out there developing social trading platforms that are independent of a primary trading platform, developing sentiment engines, education engines, training engines, charting products, etc. And I think that historically a lot of the people in this space built everything themselves, and I think the model going forward is to be the integrator of the best of breed that's in the market, put together the best trading solutions. But equally to recognise that our clients aren't a homogenous group. You have people who may be new to trading and they want to trade for the first time. You then at the other extreme may have people who have been professional traders within the finance industry, maybe working within a large bank or hedge fund, who are now trading for their own account. So you can have completely different levels of sophistication. You have people who historically have used a particular platform but they want to keep using that platform. There's people who want to use MetaTrader. So going forward, we need to embrace and support the different trading platforms and the different trading experiences that our customers want, not try to push them into one platform fits all. Absolutely. I mean, as I said, I've spent a lot of my past running large technology businesses, and I think that the integration of other people's ideas is the way to go forward. I mean, if you look at some of the things that are out that have revolutionised our marketplace, you just look at someone like Apple. If you look at the original concept of the iPod, that wasn't a brand new concept. I mean, Sony had developed the tape recorder before that, the sort of the Walkman. What Apple did was they integrated and put together different components to create that product. I mean, the disk drive in that came from a camera manufacturer. The components were put together, and it was the combination of those components and the creativity that created that product. And I think that you can create incredibly good user experiences by just integrating best of breed products.